In this video, we're going to look at Pythagoras' theorem, calculating the longest side of a right angled triangle. So this question is asking us to calculate AC. Well, first of all, the first question is, where is the longest side of a right angled triangle? How do I locate that? Well, it's always going to be opposite the right angle. This is known as the hypotenuse. In other words, the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angled triangle. So we call this the longest side. The longest side of a right angled triangle. So Pythagoras' theorem says that if I have a right angled triangle and I call the side opposite the right angle C, which is denoting the longest side or the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are A and B, then Pythagoras' theorem says that C squared is A squared plus B squared. This relationship is called Pythagoras' theorem. So we could apply it to a question like this. So we can say, well, C in our case is AC. So AC squared is equal to 41 squared plus 62 squared. And then we can square root that. So AC is going to be 41 squared plus 62 squared, and then we can use our calculator to work that out. So square root 41 squared plus 62 squared, and that gives me 74.3. Don't forget, we always round lengths in maths to three significant figures if the examiner does not tell us so. So we round that to 74.3. So we get 74.3 centimeters, and we say to three significant figures. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we need to work out AC again, or AC is the side opposite the right angle, and we said we call that the longest side. So that's what C is basically. So we want to work out AC, so we say AC squared is going to be 5 squared plus 9 squared, and at the end we just square root. So square root of 5 squared plus 9 squared, and we don't forget we're going to round our answer to three significant figures. So the square root of 5 squared plus 9 squared, we're going to round our answer to three significant figures. So that's 10.3. So we get 10.3 centimeters to 3 SF.